Good morning, everybody. It is Greyhound. Welcome to the channel. So today, we're going to be working on a challenge lock. This one is Brain Drain. I want to thank you, Mr. Elroy's Toys, for sending this my way to play with. It's been a fun little lock to look at and check out. If you haven't started messing with challenge locks, you should. They're a good time. Let's see here. And there we are. There you got it. Brain Drain. I'll do a separate gut on this one and splice it in here a little later. Later.